Good day. This is your weekly reading, and I'm going to start with the general crypto market, what the general crypto market has in store for us. Alright, without much delay, let's see. The market has been so far good, and I see it rising, making there would be a lot of growth after the 5th as I see it. And hopefully, let's see what the cards or tarot has to say. Alright, this reading is for the 5th to the 11th of April, so take it. And as I keep saying, people, please, time is fluid, and our timing and divine timing, there's a difference. So with some you will see that it's already begun, with some you will see that it will be happening, and with some it'll happen in a few more days, right? Alright, so the general crypto market, what do we have? Angels, just show me general crypto market. What do we have from the 5th to the 11th of April? 5th to the 11th of April. Alright. Alright, I'm sorry. I see the market is gradually started to change its perspective, and the conflicts of the past are kind of going away because people are seeing things differently, but the conflicts will still be there. There would be there will be people trying to spread negativity, and there would be people who would try to talk like, oh, this is this growth is temporary, market is going to fall back, it's going to crash, such kind of people. So there would be and that would be a challenge to people who are trying to see things differently, because there are a lot of people who are changing their perspective towards crypto, and a lot of projects and a lot of new people trying to enter the market, and with this kind of conflict it might affect it, and which could mean or which could lead to a few people leaving this market or leaving the old patterns and behaviors, or it could also mean that people will leave the old ways in which they used to trade or see crypto. So that is what I see coming. Now what needs to be done for that is to take small steps, not to jump into anything big just because the crypto took a bit of leap. So it's like everybody wants to be financially independent or get returns in the crypto market, but you just have to be a bit patient, and you have to start somewhere, because if you are still stuck in this and still waiting or scared of these conflicts, then you will never be able to grow. So you need to start from somewhere. You have done your research. Most people, most investors, they have done their research. You see this? You have seen through everything. You've checked out the social media and every possible thing that you could, and you've done your research, and now you are ready. You are ready to make that change, or take that leap of faith, and you have to start little, and you have to start. Now is the time for action. You have to start slow, steady, and you have to, it's a page, right? So it has to be a learner, a person who's just entering. So, and you have to let go of your, I see this, letting go of the old expectations, old ways of thoughts, old ways of trading, and victory. I see moving towards calmer waters. I see gradually the market is going to stabilize at a calmer place. It won't be that this period of low that has been disturbing people for a long time, it's somehow coming. People are moving towards calmer waters. So gradually I see growth, a gradual growth in the overall crypto market. Everybody is, as the investors energy, everybody is happy, everybody is, and new partnerships could be formed, new projects could come, and some people might even get addicted to daily trading, especially traders. Don't get obsessed, don't get addicted to this market, because this market is going to grow, and just make sure that you don't get obsessed with it, and the result is victory. Everybody is going to emerge victorious, and then gradually move towards more wealth, success, or as we say, something nice. Maybe each one of you or each trader is going to end up with a little profit, nothing big, because it's a knight, not a king or a queen. So nothing very big, but yes, substantial profit. So overall, if I see the crypto market, people are changing the perspective in which they had been looking into the market, or the energy that they were stuck in. There still exists some conflicts, because naysayers are everywhere. They will say what they have to say. You really can't do anything about it, but you have to start, despite what people say or what kind of conflicts they try to create. You have to start, and if you start and let go of your past patterns of doing things, past patterns of looking at things, or wishing of things, or thinking of things, because you have done, or the people have done their research, the investors have done their research, then you move into something calm, steady, stabler. So you're moving away from all these conflict of Five of Swords to the Six of Swords. So moving away from these stupid conflicts that kept you stuck for so long, leaving those ideas or those negative thoughts behind, and taking this leap, starting with maybe a little bit of investment, or starting to roll your investments and forming new partnerships, or it could be beginning of new projects. But just make sure that you don't get over obsessed, because everybody right now is obsessed with crypto, because there's the devil energy, it keeps you bound. So too much of anything is not good, but this is in the environment. So I see a lot of people getting obsessed, maybe trading 24 hours at a stretch, and waking up in the middle of the night just to check whether the price has gone up or gone down, such kind of energy. But whatever kind of energy you are, if you just start, you're going to emerge victorious, and you're going to have substantial return. So that is it for the general crypto market for the 5th to the 11th. I see a good steady growth in the market, and everybody enjoying some benefit out of it. So I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please, as I keep requesting, please like, share, subscribe, spread the word around, and stay positive, stay happy. Want to connect with me? I'm there on Discord. You can always join me through the description, the link in the description below. And if you are an investor or a new project starter, want to go to know in depth about your particular coin, you can always go for a private reading. I do not do more than 3 readings a day, and so you have to book it in advance, because I'm usually full, and you have to book it in advance, and let me know at least 3 hours in advance if you're going for a reading, right? So the market is gonna be good, so stay positive, and this is the time to take action accordingly.